Let's create call to action section. Copy the text from here. Container and another container. Add the heading, make it center, subheading, and button here. Make it center. And copy the paragraph text from here. Convert this one to the heading Spectra and go to the content, change it to the p tag, make it center and change the typography to 16 because we already know that because we did it previously. And select the container, change the width. Well, it's fitted now. Let's export the image from the background image. Now when I want to export the image, it also export the content, and I do not want that. So select the block, hide this one, select the CTA again, and you can see the preview, there is no text. Click on export. And activate this one again. Optimize the image. So there is optimization plugin on WordPress, but I always prefer to optimize myself manually before creating or making any website. Add 90 at the top. Select image. So make sure you have added alternative text every single time, and that should be meaningful name. I'm not going to spend so much time here, and I'll be ignore this thing later on. I have added the background image and it's appearing here. We have completed our call to action section here. It's time to create this section, which is our services or something like that. It's not services, but a primary key things that the service we provide. Let's click on update and reload the page. Okay, reload again. So this is our mission, passionate about organic food and flavor and other part here. So let's move into the next section.